How to create JumpTask account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create JumpTask account. JumpTask is a platform that allows users to earn cryptocurrency by completing simple microtasks. Here's how you can create an account on it. First of all, you'll need to make sure you have already downloaded the authentic JumpTask application from Google Play Store or any other app store on your device. Once you have done that, now tap on the app icon to open it. Once you open the JumpTask application on your device, you will land on this page. Here, you'll be able to sign up using your crypto wallet if you have any, or you may also use the social media accounts like Google, Facebook, or Twitter. Here I am going with Google account. For that, you need to simply tap on this Google option and select a Google account that you'd like to use. Once you select a Google account that you'd like to use, now you need to tap on this continue button at the bottom. By doing so, it will start creating an account on JumpTask using your Google account. Once you register, now you can browse through various microtasks available on this platform. You can choose a task that interests you and complete a task as per the provided guidelines. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on JumpTask easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.